Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good chicken Caesar salad. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. A great Caesar salad begins with fresh, crisp romaine lettuce. Then, we'll focus on the heart of the salad, a rich and flavorful Caesar dressing. Don't forget the star protein, perfectly cooked chicken, along with crunchy croutons and savory Parmesan cheese. Now, let's create that iconic Caesar dressing from scratch. Begin by whisking together an egg yolk, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Gradually drizzle in about 1/2 cup of olive oil, whisking constantly until it's thick and creamy. Stir in a clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Finish with salt and pepper. Next, we'll prepare our chicken and croutons. Season 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Cook them on a grill or in a pan until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they are juicy. For the croutons, cut 4 slices of day-old bread into 1-inch cubes, toss with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and bake until crispy. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious chicken Caesar salad. Start by tearing or chopping your crisp romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, gently toss the lettuce with about 1/4 cup of your homemade Caesar dressing, ensuring every leaf is coated. Arrange the sliced chicken over the dressed lettuce, then scatter your crunchy croutons and a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.